We consistently heard from customers that speed wasn't enough.
AI can provide very confident but incorrect outputs.
This Copilot connector really enables us to take advantage of all the benefits of Gen AI and IBISWorld together.
What Copilot does, it makes work easier by bringing intelligence directly into Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams. Most professionals struggle with fragmented data. Once they have the data, is the data even right? Conflicting stats, unclear definitions, and time spent validating numbers instead of actually making decisions. We consistently heard from customers that they want trustworthy, verifiable, comparable data directly in Copilot.
So IBISWorld had a lot of requests from customers asking us about integrating into Copilot. Often they'll struggle with what is quality versus quantity in terms of the large volumes of data, especially if it's unverified. Gen AI tools can sound super confident even when they're wrong. Without those verified inputs, organizations can really risk making decisions that are based on hallucinations, outdated information, and both of those are very risky, especially where decisions are made or businesses are regulated.
IBISWorld data stood out specifically because it was analyst-verified, consistent industry taxonomy, and global coverage. A consultant building a market landscape or a banker preparing an industry overview can ask Copilot a question and get structured insights, market size, risk, trends, with citations directly from IBISWorld's right inside a document they're already working on.
Our data and analysis benefits from being structured, validated, consistent and comparable across industries and across countries, and it's all human verified. The analysts that produce the content are all specialized domain experts. We've built a reputation over the last 60 years that has allowed us to take advantage of this moment where it's this reliable data that is starting to feed Gen AI models such as Copilot. This is what really sets us apart from others in terms of data being trustworthy.
It brings the data together so users don't have to switch tools, search the web, or manually validate resources. That means faster drafts, clearer comparisons, and higher confidence because users can see exactly where their insights came from.
So we're hearing from our customers that they're able to use Copilot today really effectively. They're building agents that help them complete different workflows more efficiently, and it's saving them time. So if they were able to bring IBISWorld in as a source and use that in their agent, now they get to use that time saved for those high-value tasks. Our customers know IBISWorld, they trust us, and they know that we belong in those agentic workflows. One of the examples that we've been testing out is that a credit analyst would use an IBISWorld agent to get an overview of the printing industry. Now they get all-in-one answer within Copilot. And through Copilot citations, they're able to click in and learn more and be brought to the IBISWorld platform in case they want to dig in, understand the sourcing or methodology further. So it's a really efficient experience for the credit analyst to get that holistic view.
By grounding Copilot responses in IBISWorld's curated research, we improve answers, precision, and traceability, which is essential for regulated industries like finance, consulting, and strategy. IBISWorld with Copilot helps us move from helpful assistant to reliable industry expert.